Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about breakouts and the storyline in our trading strategy. After learning about the types of SNR levels and how important they are, let's look at why breakouts matter so much. Breakouts are the key to identify the storyline. Remember this, without a breakout, there is no storyline. No breakout, no storyline. So, what is a breakout? A breakout happens when the price moves through one of our levels, the A-shape level and the V-shape level. These tell us where the market want to go and where the buyers and sellers are entering the market. A bullish breakout means the price want to go up and the buyers are entering the market. A bearish breakout means the price want to go down and the sellers are entering the market. So how the market creates a trend, okay? If the price keeps breaking up, it creates a bullish trend. And if the market keeps breaking down, it creates a bearish trend. Okay? Bullish breakout for bullish trend. Bearish breakout for bearish trend. Now, imagine we are in a bullish trend. What changes this to a bearish trend? It's when the price breaks the last higher low before touching our fresh level. Okay, and what changed from bearish trend to bullish trend? It's when the price breaks the last lower high before the price touching our fresh level. By bullish breakout, we changed from bearish trend to bullish trend. And by bearish breakout, we changed from bullish trend to bearish trend. This is mean changing from bearish to bullish trend means the bullish storyline started. And changing from bullish to bearish trend means the bearish storyline started. We said before the storyline is identified by a breakout. But what is the storyline? The storyline is the journey of the price takes from one fresh level to another. It begins and ends at these fresh levels. There are three types of storyline. A reversal storyline from bearish to bullish, and we have a reversal storyline from bullish to bearish. And lastly, we have the continuation storyline. The continuation storyline, this happens between the bearish and the bullish storylines and keeps the trend going. So let's see how the storyline moves between these fresh levels. But before that, let's explain this. Changing from bearish to bullish trend means the bullish storyline started. Changing from bearish to bullish trend means the bullish storyline started. And changing from bullish to bearish trend means the bearish storyline started. And for the continuation storyline, by keeps breaking bullish means a new bullish storyline started, and by keeps breaking bearish means the new bearish storyline started. So let's see how the storyline moves between these fresh levels. For example, let's say the trend was bullish here. When the price reaches a fresh level and we see a bearish breakout, it means the trend has changed and the bearish storyline started. Okay, when the price reaches this fresh level and we see a bearish breakout, that means the bearish storyline started, and it changed from bullish to bearish storyline. That's why we call it a reversal storyline, from bullish to bearish storyline. If another bearish breakout happens at next fresh levels, we have a continuation storyline started. Okay, if the past one it's bearish, this continuation storyline will be bearish storyline. Okay, no, the price keeps moving to the next fresh level. When the price reaches this level and a bullish breakout happen and a reversal storyline started, the price then moves up to the next fresh level. Okay, when the price reaches this fresh level and we see a bullish breakout, that's mean a bullish storyline started, and it changed from bearish storyline to bullish storyline. The same with another fresh levels. This is the cycle continues from bullish to bearish and back again. So when the price reaches this fresh level and we see another bullish breakout, that means the continuation storyline started. If the past one, it's a bullish storyline. So this continuation storyline will be bullish, okay, until the price reaches another fresh level and we see another bearish breakout for another new bearish storyline. Okay, the same with this continuation storyline. By keeps breaking bearish, the new continuation bearish storyline started. If the past one it's bearish, this continuation storyline will be bearish also until the price reaches the next levels below. Okay, just remember this. Continuation storyline don't happen often, but when they do, we can take advantage of them and make more setups. Okay. So let's see another example explaining this cycle of the storyline with another analogy. So imagine an airplane without a set destination. Its journey is random and decided by the airports it stopped at. Okay, the red houses represent the airports, and the same with the green houses represent the another airports. Okay, so let's imagine the airplane takes off from this airport A to this airport B. Okay, when the airplane reaches airport B by raising a flag, there are two flags, red flag and green flag. This airport decided the next stop by raising a flag. Okay, if the airport B raises the red flag, the airplane flies down to the airport C. And if the airport C rises another red flag, the airplane keeps flying down to the airport D. Okay, but if the airport D rises the green flag, the airport changes direction and flies up to the next airport. Okay, and that's how the journey of this airplane plays out. Okay, so by raising the red flag, the airplane keeps moving down. Okay, and by raising the green flag, the airplane will moves up, okay, to the next airport, up. When the airplane reaches this airport will decide the next destination, okay, by raising another red flag for the airplane to move down, okay. The same with this airplane by airport. By raising the red flag, the airplane keeps moving down, okay. And if this airport raise the green flag, that's mean the airplane will keep moving up, okay. Maybe you see this black airport and this black green, okay. If the airport above didn't raise the red flag, that means this airplane will not reach this airport and will reach another airport, okay. The same with this airport. If this airport didn't raise another red flag, the airplane will move to another airport below and it will not reach this airplane, okay. As I said, this is how the journey of the airplane plays off, okay. So let's mix this with let's mix the concept of the storyline with the airplane analogy, okay. So for the airports represent our Farage levels, okay. The airplane represent the price, okay. The airplane represent the price. The red flag represent a bearish breakout, okay. The red flag represent a bearish breakout and the green flag represent a bullish breakout. So when the airplane reaches airport B, it means the price has reached a fresh level, okay. If the airport B rises the red flag, that means a bearish breakout has happened, okay, and starting a bearish storyline by raising this red flag that represent a bearish breakout. We said a bearish breakout for a bearish storyline, okay. When the price reaches this thresh level that represent the airport C, if the airport C then rises another red flag, it means another bearish breakout happen, okay, at this fresh level. So the continuation storyline started for the past storyline, okay. And when the price so finally when the airplane reaches airport D, this is the airport D, and the airport D rise the green flag, that means the bullish breakout happen. And when the bullish breakout happened, the bullish storyline started and the airplane start flying up, okay. So the price will move to the next fresh levels that represent our airports, okay. And the same with the other fresh levels that represent our airports and the price that represent our airplane, okay. So by a red flag means a bearish breakout happened and a bearish storyline started, okay. when the airplane reaches another fresh level that presents another airport by rising another red flag. That means the continuation their storyline started in the same direction with the past one. Okay, and the cycle of the storyline keeps plays out. Like a conclusion, the price moves like an airplane going from one fresh level that present airport to another, with breakouts that represent flags showing us the direction. Understanding this cycle help us to know when trends changed and when they continue. So we identify the cycle of the storyline in this video. And in the next videos, as I said, we will practice what we have learned today. So see you in the next video and take care.